got this black HTV from AliExpress. It only cost a few bucks and it arrived within a month. So we're going to try it out today and see how it goes. I'm going to do my running late is my cardio design. So I'm going to be using the AliExpress HTV to do the black words, and then I've got some Stahls metallic blue to do the cardio. And I'm just using a plain grey t-shirt that I got from Big W, which is just a cotton basics. So we'll see how we go. So I've opened up the file in Silhouette Studio. This is in a DXF format that I do sell through my website. And as you can see, it's come up there. So I've just changed the running late is my. I've changed the cut line colour so I can cut that separately. So in the send panel, you can see there it's brought up all of the words with the red cut line. So to change that, you simply want to go up here to line, and we only want the blue to cut for now. As this is HTV, we want to mirror our design, so that's simply by going up to Object, Mirror, and Flip Horizontal. And there we go, now it's ready to cut. Fell off and did not work, and as you can see there, I had some troubles with those bits. I think my mat might be dirty, so it didn't actually cut very cleanly, and yeah, any parts that lifted up do not want to stay on. Okay, so I've got everything weeded and ready to press onto the shirt. I've folded the shirt in half to get the center, and then I have folded the cardio back on itself to find the center of that. And yeah, this is going to be a problem because it's not sticking, so I'll just have to do a little bit of fiddling around to make sure that the eye stays straight and doesn't go crooked. I'm using a Cricut Easy Press, and I press at 165 degrees Celsius for 30 seconds. As I've never used the AliExpress vinyl before, I'm just going to guess and assume that it is a cold peel, but we'll see how that goes. Okay, so I've already peeled off the holographic, and I do have a few little bubbles in there, but I had a lot of trouble weeding that, so I wasn't really expecting it to turn out perfectly. This is cool to the touch now, so we'll start peeling. So it's all peeled off. It seems to have adhered to the shirt quite well. I cannot lift up anything. The only problems that I'm a little bit worried about is it's just a little bit shiny, so I'm not sure whether I've actually scorched the vinyl. But that's it, all done. Running late is my cardio. So we'll see how that washes up, but like I said, that HTV is only a couple of dollars on AliExpress, so it might be a good option for those of you who do special occasion projects where you only need one off.